It's laundry day! Time to go shopping! Headed to Sainsbury's right now, about to get the bus. One of the most useful skills you learn at uni is how to play Tetris with your food so that it goes from this to this. Something that you might not have realised about adulting is A, you need to go shopping. 2, you need to fit all that shopping in your fridge, as I was showing you before. I actually quite enjoy shopping. Actually, next week I'm going to be trying HelloFresh. Definitely not sponsored. Wish it was. Yeah, that will be like a delivery to the door with all the meals like packed already, and also there's a recipe included, which makes things 100 times more easy. Because if you're like me, I like cooking, but I don't love it so much that I will like spend ages trying to meal plan. Yeah, so HelloFresh will be interesting to try out. Another thing is laundry. I don't know about you, but I really dislike doing laundry. Obviously last year, I don't know if you saw my week in my life vlog, which I'll like attach here or there, wherever. But I mentioned that I really hate doing laundry, and that was because the laundry machines were outside the building, whereas obviously now when you're in a house, the washing machine is like downstairs, so it's a lot easier. I don't mind as much, but I still wait until I want to run underwear because, you know, washing machines take up a lot of energy. I'm trying to save us some money. So another thing is bills. So it's really good because our landlord only charges us for water twice a year, I think it is, and we get billed for electricity and gas. The way our landlord does our rent is really good because it coincides with our student loan dropping, which is very helpful. So we basically just have this app called Splitwise that we use, and one person will pay the bill and we'll just pay it back. And we use Splitwise as a means to kind of keep track of like who still owes what to who. And yeah, just kind of avoid like conflict and stuff because it's all just kind of set in stone. It will remind you like to pay, link it down below as a resource. And I guess another thing to watch out for is that you don't want to be spending too much money on like electricity or like gas or water, so you kind of are a bit more mindful about how much you're using because you're paying for it. So a few things about saving money at home. Make sure when it's like not too cold, you can use the timer function, so you can control like when it comes on and when it comes off. Obviously, like if it's super cold, you can have it on for longer, but if you're trying to save some money, save some pounds, then that's a tip for you. And it's also really handy that we have a smart meter that tells us like how much money we've been spending, so that we can kind of tell, you know, if we need to like cut back on some things like electric heaters or like light, and you can cycle through and see how much money that we've been spending today, yesterday, like the whole week, how near it is to our budget. So it's really helpful to have one of those. If you don't have one, it's not the end of the world, but this is just really useful, so I thought I'd share.